Doc Kenson with you today again, bringing you another little gun review here. Today we have the CZ75. It's made in the Czech Republic, shoots a 9mm parabellum. It's a very nice gun, feels good in the hand. I don't know if that's just my hand or if that's everyone that feels that way, but to me it shoots very well. Has a good weight to it, weighs near about 40 ounces. So it's a little heavier than your Glocks or your Smith & Wessons with the polymer. This is the metal here. It's all metal, and it's double action, single action. What that means is that you can rack the slide. We are empty, by the way. No magazine, no in the chamber. You rack the slide. You can either pull the trigger single action, which means the hammer is back, very light pull, or you can lower the hammer and you have double action, sort of like a revolver, and you can pull it all the way back and then it'll break. Now this gun has a very nice double action pull, very nice. I don't know what the weight is on the trigger. I'm guessing it's right around 8 pounds or so, but it's very smooth. The single action on it is, I'm guessing, right around 4, which is not too bad. Very good trigger on it. I like the trigger. It has a safety here, conventional 1911 safety here. Down for fire, up for safe. When the last round is shot out of this weapon, the slide locks back to the rear. You can apply another magazine, and there's your slide release on the side there. Very big, easy to get to. The safety and the mag release is. Has the conventional 3-dot sight system here, and they pick up nice. Very, very fun gun to shoot. Very easy to shoot. I'm going to shoot some for you. Grab a couple of magazines over here. I have a 15-round magazine here with it, and I have a 10-round magazine. We'll use the 15 first. Load a round up here. And as you can see, put the safety on. And we'll shoot a little still. See if we can hit anything. Small little rocks. And as you can see there, the slide locked to the rear. You can drop your magazine out and put another one in. And this is the same for most semi-automatic handguns like this. You can hit your slide release and it chambers another round. We'll go for some of the orange plates now. And it locks back again there. Very nice gun. We'll go ahead and load up some of this beautiful 9mm ammo. The big magazine holds 15, as I said. The other one holds 10. And you can run through a magazine or two rather quickly. We got a mess on the shooting table today here. We got some Mosins, some 22s, 30-30 Marlin. Everyone knows that gun, the famous Marlin 30-30 lever action. Get these loaded up here and get some more shots out there. gun is still in service today with militaries and police forces. It was designed in 1975, so it's been here a good while, and it's very proven. You don't have very many problems with this gun. Let's go ahead and hit one of the gallon jugs.
All right.
It's always fun.
Oh, it did a little bounce there.
Well, that took care of that water.
Yeah, you took the cap off that one.
We'll go up on the top here with the circle plates. Gets those very nicely. Load another magazine. Now, as I said, you can put the magazine in, and it automatically loaded there. I hit the slide, stop it with my thumb as I inserted the magazine. We'll go for some more steel, maybe a little faster here if I can. Maybe miss a little more too, huh? That one was playing with me, started rushing the trigger there. Load it up one more time here. As I said, this gun is still in service. There's around 40 countries that, not 40, 20 countries that use this gun. There's about 1 million of them made, so there's plenty of them out there. And it is proven. That's all that matters. I don't normally shoot a handgun this large. If I had to say it's a sized comparison, I'd probably compare it to maybe a Glock 17 or a Smith & Wesson full size, maybe even a 1911. I really prefer the smaller handguns, easy to conceal. And we'll finish up here with just a few more rounds. And as you can see, this one, to load the magazine, you can also grab the slide and just pull it back and it loads it just fine. We'll go for the 2 water jugs, the green ones. Had a light primer there, I believe. I'm shooting reloaded ammo, so sometimes just get a light primer.
Mercy.
I think that one is destroyed. I'll run across the plates one more time here. I have 2 more rounds here. We'll just go ahead and pop them off here. And we'll go for the small little plate. Very small. If I can hold it still.
Oh, you got it with the last one there.
The last shot was a hit. As I say, CZ75. A very fun gun to shoot. Very nice. The misses I was doing is because I was jerking the trigger, getting in a rush. It's definitely not the gun. And on a good day, I can shoot this really well. Even on a bad day, I can still shoot it pretty good, as you see there in that. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to Doc Kenson. If you want to see some more gun reviews, there will be some more coming. Thanks for watching.